Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners. Today is Lesson 7, French Grammar, teaching French verbs, which is the French verbs ending with ER. Let's get started. When we try to learn the verbs ending with ER, we will need to know how to conjugate them. Let's choose a verb that we have seen before, which is habiter, to live. Remember that letter H is silent, so it is pronounced as habiter. As the H is silent, J becomes J apostrophe. J'habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, ils habitent, elles habitent. And give you an example. J'habite à Paris en France. I live in Paris in France. So let's take a look at how the ER verbs conjugate. We can see that je is ending with E, tu ending with es, il and elle ending with e. And for nous is ending with ons, vous ending with ez, il and elle ending with ENT, but we don't pronounce the ENT in il and elle. Let's try to practice one more time. Travailler, to work. Je travaille. Tu travailles. Il travaille. Elle travaille. Nous travaillons. Vous travaillez. Il travaille. Elle travaille. Give an example. Je travaille ici. I work here. Next verb is parler, to speak. Here is the conjugation. An example would be, vous parlez anglais? You speak English? Vous parlez anglais? You speak English? The next verb is manger, to eat. Here is the conjugation. The conjugation should be the same as the rest of the ER verb, but take a good look at the nous mangeons. And there is an E inside. So that is the special point that you need to take a look at manger. And the example is, elle mange du pain. She eats some bread. And the next verb is to watch, regarder. And here is the conjugation. And the example sentence is, je regarde la télévision. I'm watching the television. And the next verb is to give, donner. And here is the conjugation. And the example sentence is, elle donne un cadeau à sa fille. She gives her daughter a present. And the next verb is to search, chercher. And here is the conjugation. And the example sentence is, je cherche de l'information. I'm looking for some information. And the next verb is to think, penser. And here is the conjugation. The example sentence is, il pense au problème. He is thinking of the problem. The next verb is porter, to wear or to bring. Here is the conjugation. Example sentence, il porte des lunettes. He is wearing glasses. And the next verb is very special, is s'appeler, to call oneself. It is a reflexive verb, so we need to pay closer attention. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. And you can note that all the conjugation, there is a double L inside. Here it comes to the plural. Nous appelons. Vous appelez. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. And remember to note that nous and vous, it is only single L inside the verb. And this example sentence is actually from lesson 3. Comment vous vous appelez? How do you call yourself? Which means, what is your name? And the next verb is to study, étudier. And here is the conjugation. The example sentence is Elle étudie l'anglais. She studies English. And the next verb is to listen, écouter. And here is the conjugation. The example sentence, Elle écoute de la musique. She listens to some music. And let's practice. The next verb is actually jouer, to play. Je joue. Tu joues. Il joue. Elle joue. Nous jouons. Vous jouez. Il joue. Elle joue. And the example sentence is Elle joue du piano. She plays the piano. That's all for this lesson, and thank you for watching.